The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued Tornado Watch number 667 for the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Kane, Kendall, Lake, LaSalle, Lee, McHenry, Ogle, Will, Winnebago, until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time. A tornado watch means that tornadoes are possible in and around the watch area. People in these areas should stay alert for severe weather and possible warnings. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will be needed today, tonight, and tomorrow morning. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe weather statement at 11:30 a.m. National Weather Service. Doppler radar indicated a line of storms. This line is 197 miles long from Madison, Wisconsin, to Davenport, Iowa, moving east at 45 miles per hour. This storm has produced hail to 2 inches, high winds in excess of 75 miles per hour, and tornadoes. This line of storms will be near Boone, DeKalb, and LaSalle at 2:07 p.m., McHenry, Kane, Kendall at 3 p.m., Lake, DuPage, Cook, Will at 3:45 p.m. This is a very dangerous storm. People should start to prepare for the storm and stay tuned for later updates and warnings. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties in Illinois: McHenry, Kane, Lake until 3:35 p.m. At 2:30 p.m., a trained weather spotter reported large hail and high winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. People should seek shelter indoors and stay away from windows. Please stay tuned for later watches and warnings. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for the following counties in Illinois: McHenry, Illinois, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., a trained weather spotter reported a large wedge tornado in Riley, heading east at 75 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Huntley at 3:30 p.m., Lake in the Hills at 3:46 p.m., Algonquin at 3:49 p.m., Foxgrove at 4 p.m., Cary at 4:05 p.m. This is a very dangerous storm. People in these areas must take shelter in a basement or a small interior room until the storm has passed. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for the following counties. In Illinois, McHenry, Illinois, until 7 p.m., a flash flood warning means that flash flooding is occurring or imminent. People should stay off of covered roadways until the water has cleared. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado emergency for the following counties. In Illinois, McHenry, Illinois, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:35 p.m., trained weather spotters reported a large wedge tornado heading towards Lake in the Hills. People living in Lake in the Hills need to take shelter underground. This tornado emergency will end at 4:15 p.m. The following message is transmitted at the request of the McHenry Emergency Management Agency. At 4:20 p.m. all roads in McHenry County are closed due to storm damage. It will take up to 3 hours for main roads to be cleared. The following message is transmitted at the request of the McHenry Emergency Management Agency. All roads are now open to the public in McHenry County.